This is the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra arrived in a box that was clearly designed with care. Opening up the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra was like unwrapping a precious gem. The sleek black box felt substantial in my hands, and as I lifted off the lid, I was greeted with the phone's stunning 6.8-inch OLED display. The phone felt like a work of art, and I couldn't wait to explore all of its features. And as I pulled back the lid of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, I was struck by the phone's beautiful design. The lavender color was elegant, sophisticated, and manly enough, and the phone's large screen made it easy to navigate. The phone felt solid in my hands, and I was excited to see what it could do. I was impressed by the phone's slim profile and bright, clear screen. The phone felt light in my hands, but it was packed with features. I couldn't wait to start exploring everything the S23 Ultra had to offer. Unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra was like opening a portal to the future. The phone's sleek black box gave me a sense of anticipation. I was blown away by the phone's cutting-edge technology. The phone's camera system was unlike anything I had ever seen before, and I knew I was holding a truly groundbreaking device in my hand.